questions. Okay, go ahead.
From yesterday, there was a question. I don't know if you got this already answered.
About this shooting star.
Yeah.
Okay. So the shooting star just scientifically, right? So what is the shooting star? It's a piece of the comet, right? Comet, or it's a piece of ice. That's actually a piece of ice that goes into the atmosphere, and because of the speed, because of the frictions, that's why it's like burning. But it's water. So is it connected to the soul's spanker in the Kaf HaKelah? I don't know, maybe. But I don't think so. It's only soul. The soul is spiritual, does not produce any visible effects. Okay.